Hi sis, alam mo ba na in just $10, pwede ka nang kumita at makakakuha ka ng free Live Good products. Super legit ito. So, how it works, ganito siya. Ang Live Good has a member-to-member program na sobrang dali lang gawin. So, ang gagawin mo lang is mag-sign up ka lang for only $10 or 600 pesos. So, tapos, meron kang chance na kumita while getting premium health products. So, for free lang ito. So, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan. Basta willing ka lang din na i-share ito sa iba. So, meron ka ng free products. Yung mga benefits dito is affordable siya. Kahit $10 lang yung puhunan mo as you started this, then you can earn free Live Good products just by being active. So, it means magsasubscribe ka lang monthly, and then every time meron kang mapapa-member is meron kang free product. So, kung gusto mo na ng extra income, i-message mo lang ako ngayon and comment Live Good, tapos isi-send ko sa'yo ang details. So, let's go sis! Let's hustle together!